Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using my cell phone, so bear with the little bit different setup, but let's jump into this. Today I'm going to be showing you a skincare line. It's an anti-aging skincare line with multiple benefits to defend from aging, which is caused by more than just the natural aging process. It can also be extrinsic and intrinsic factors that aid to skin aging, as in like stressors of life and pollution. And then there's also, this whole set helps to cleanse, brighten, exfoliate, delay aging, moisturize, all kinds of different things. So, needless to say, let's jump in. So, today we're going to be using this, the TimeWise 3D, Age Minimized 3D set. It has 4 steps, and we're going to start with the Age Minimized 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. I just got out of the shower. My skin is ready to be loved. So, first, we're going to use the cleanser. This is the 4-in-1 cleanser, so I have to try to remember everything it does. It cleanses, exfoliates, brightens, and age defies, or defies aging, all in one cleanser. So I'm going to get my fingertips a little wet with warm water, get my fingers wet, and then I'm going to apply that onto my face in circular motions. I'll just look at you guys to keep the brightness right. Apply that in circular motions all over my face. This smells so good. And it's fragrance free, but the natural ingredients inside it smells so good. Okay, so once I have that really on there, lathered, kind of massage my skin, I will move to the next step. But I'm gonna wash it off first. I'm gonna get my fingertips wet and just wash it off with my fingertips for now. I do like to use a brush, like a skin cleansing brush, like this. At least 2 to 3 times a week. I find that my skin is dry enough. If I use it more than that, I get too dry. So that's why I only do it about 2 to 3 times a week. The TimeWise Age Minimized 3D 4-in-1 cleanser is a multitasking cleanser. It removes complex dulling impurities and leaves the skin feeling super clean. It exfoliates and makes your skin look even brighter. Next, because it's daytime, I'm going to use the day cream. I might just use both to just show you, but this is the day cream you would use in the mornings if you're using the skincare regimen. And this is the Age Minimized 3D Day Cream with SPF 30s. So this helps protect from UV rays and aging caused by the sun, as well as moisturizing you at the same time and brightening your skin for the day. And it holds moisture for 12 hours, I believe. So I'm going to apply that to my face. The TimeWise Age Minimized 3D Day Cream with SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. By day, this moisture replenishing cream provides broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection to help delay the looks of skin aging, and it re-energizes the skin's natural youthful glow and helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps even the look of skin tone and moisturizes for 12 hours. This set actually comes in 2 formulations, so I personally would use the combination oily set because my skin is combination oily, and that doesn't mean it's heavily oily, it doesn't mean it's confused, it just means that my T-zone has a tendency for oil and the external side of my face has a tendency to be dry. So my under eyes get pretty dry and the outside of my face gets pretty dry, but my T-zone here produces oil, and so that's combination oily. It has a purple stripe on the back for combination oily, and it has a light pink stripe on the back when it is for normal to dry skin. So if you had normal or super, super, super dry skin, like it's lacking moisture, you would use the one with the pink strip on the back. So the next step, this is a TimeWise Age Minimized 3D Night Cream. This smells so good. So heavenly, so light. It's not like a powerful, repulsive fragrance. It's a nice, light, refreshing, spa-like fragrance. So I'm going to apply that onto my face. Even though I just moisturized for the purpose of this video, I'll do this. The TimeWise Age Minimized 3D Night Cream. By night, this effective cream works while skin is most able to rebuild its reserves. It re-energizes skin's youthful glow and helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps the skin look firmer, awake in the morning, since you use this at night, to skin that looks healthier and feels rejuvenated, moisturizes for 12 hours. The last step in this 4-set regimen is the TimeWise Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. So I'm going to take this out and apply it onto my fingertip. Then I'm just gonna make my little fingers touch like this and go under my eyes. The Time-Wise Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream is to help improve multiple signs of aging and fatigue, including the appearance of dark circles, under eye puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It immediately moisturizes and maintains moisture in the eye area for 12 hours. This eye cream is it's like one of 3 eye creams that this company offers, and it's like the middle grade one. So there's the first grade one, like the first level is a firming eye cream. This is the second level, and then they have the Voluform eye cream for intensive moisture, under eye moisture, and anti-aging effects. And that one has like half of a metal ball on it. And when you use it, it massages into your eye. Oh, it feels so good. Like you can massage it onto your eye. So good, super cooling effect. Okay, anywho, this one's really awesome, good for puffiness, dark under eyes. Also, once again, helping with fine lines and wrinkles. The thing I've been using recently when I'm feeling super tired looking, like in the mornings and my eyes are puffy or I just look like I've been hit by a bus, I have been using this, this is the Mary Kay Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. And so I take it off and it looks like a gel, this little blue liquid or blue gel. And I tap that under my eyes, and then I do not use much at all. Like I touch it and then I touch under my eyes and I touch under my eyes. And I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but this feels so good, and you can feel it like sucking the puffiness out of your under eyes. So that is the full face. There's an exclusive patent pending age minimized 3D complex in every product. It has encapsulated resveratrol, which provides triple antioxidant benefits, plus helps promote even looking skin tone and supports the skin's natural collagen. It has vitamin B3, which is well known for being a brightening superpower that works double duty as an antioxidant. And an age-defying peptide supports the skin's natural collagen and elastin for a more youthful, resilient look. Did you know that 20% of visible skin aging comes from just the natural aging process? That means that the rest comes from just living your life. Environmental and lifestyle stressors that you face today could lead to your premature skin aging. UV has long been known to cause premature skin aging. Lifestyle, like stress, sleep loss, smoking, diet, and other factors can contribute to skin aging by triggering a cascade of age-accelerating free radicals on the skin that overwhelms its natural defenses. Also a cause of premature skin aging is pollution. It can come from industrial facilities, car exhaust, even forest fires apparently. And at high concentrations, it can be seen as smog, soot, or haze. Often it is present but not visible to the naked eye. Research has shown that women living in areas with high levels of pollution have skin with greater signs of extrinsic aging as compared to women exposed to less pollution. There's extrinsic and intrinsic factors to how your skin survives life. Intrinsic means inside, extrinsic means on the outside. And I hope this was informative. I hope it helped you. If you would like to get something like this, always check the descriptions on my YouTube videos because I try to include any information about these products or places to purchase them in the description. So if you need that, go check below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check back in, hit the like button and subscribe, and come back and hang out with me. If you hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I upload and you won't miss a single video. All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching once again. Bye guys.